Good day, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmus. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So I want to talk about one of the Cypress features. This is a new series where I'll be talking about random features on Cypress, and the first one I'll talk about is the cypress-fill-command. In my previous video, in the first playlist I made, the Cypress at a glance, I did use cypress-fill-command, but I used it in another capacity. But that has changed now. cypress-fill-command still does the same thing. It allows the test to be faster, but it does that through its own unique commands now. So that begs the question, then how can we extend our Cypress commands? You can now do that by default. Actually, you can do that by default by just creating new command files, and this won't stop your code from running. We are going to put that to practice and see how that works. So let's see. So you remember that the configuration dictates that you will import a cypress-fill command. I'm going to use this Cypress BDD version 10 that I did in the previous video. I'll use it as an example. So remember that you have to import your cypress-fill command after you must have installed it in your package.json. Through your package.json, it is here, your cypress-fill command, and you have to import it. And when it is imported, you begin to do this. But what now happens is that Cypress can actually pick up these commands without this. Yes. So all the custom commands that has been made here is still applicable and is accessible because it has already been included in the e2e.js file. So when Cypress is compiling, Cypress can see all these commands and run them as native commands as well. So which makes setting up your Cypress fast as it should be. So let us test that. We have disabled this, so let's test and see if it would work. So we go npx cypress open, because it's E2E, we are doing not component testing. So we are going to open the E2E parts and let's use Chrome and see if the test will run. So let's run the test. Yes, as you can see, it ran. It worked. It's logged in successfully. So what that means is we do not need this to make our custom commands. Then what do we need this for then? It is not useless, I promise you. So what we can use it for is we can use it to make our test faster. Before we do that, well, whether we do this or not, we can establish that it will run. So let us run it again. Please pay attention to the speed. You can see that you saw how the whole thing was typed and it was fast. So how can we make this faster? This is where it gets exciting. And what we just need to do is cypress-fill-command has its own main commands. Mainly, it has 4 commands that are quite useful. It has the fill command. Is it 4? Yeah, I think it's 4. I think it's 3. Okay. I know of 3 major ones. So fill, you have the fill command, you have the submit command, and you have the check command. The fill command is used to help to type faster. If you need to type something, it types it very fast, faster than the type command that is default to Cypress. And the check command is used for check boxes and radio buttons, while submit is used for form. Any element that has the form tag, submit can be used and it will be fast. So let's try that and test it and see how that would work. So we do this. I promise you it would have run by now. So let's run it again and see. So let's start from the specs. So let's go to the spec and run it all over again. You see, you could barely see how it typed it. Let's try that again. You see, you can barely see how it typed it. So you can see that it makes it faster. So I'm happy to tell you that using the cypress-fill command is not a waste. It still serves the same purpose and it makes it faster. And we can still use the custom commands and create more custom command files, so we can easily compile and set up our Cypress framework faster. Thank you for getting this far. Subsequently, I'll be dropping some random videos about some Cypress features. Stay tuned, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.